hello.
Hi.
And please introduce yourself.
My name is Emily.
And I'm Steven.
Yes, you are from Nebraska,
Nevada.
Nevada.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, yes.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Steven. Yes. And please, second question is, how you decide to travel into Mongolia? Please, how you decide or how you choose?
My wife came here 8 years ago and fell in love with the country. And we just got married on the 3rd. And we came out here for our honeymoon. We've been here for 10 days.
Wow.
Yeah, I was here 8 years ago. I fell in love with it. I traveled the whole country, and I wanted to come back. So we thought this was a great excuse to come back.
And I really want to say on this video, congratulations.
Thank you.
And then congratulations for your this life events. Yes.
Thank you.
Wow, very important. And then very final question. And what do you have question to our Mongolians? What do you want to ask? Yes.
What makes a ger a home? What makes it feel like home? Because it moves around. So what makes it feel like you're home all the time?
Wow.
Mm-hmm. My question is, what can you teach us so that we can be as helpful and friendly as you are?
Wow. And then now I'm here. And then thank you very much for your this short video with us. And it's named the hashtag Mongolia Friend short video. And then of course Mongolians wants to give some answers on your very nice questions, very best questions. And they should write comment on this video. Yes. Yes. So have a nice trip to your home.
Thank
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. And keep in touch.